In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and duplicate the whole table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to duplicate or copy and paste the whole table is pretty simple. Just head over to the table that you wish to copy or duplicate and then highlight the whole of it like this. Make sure you select up to the outline borders. From here, go ahead and click on Ctrl+C on your keyboard or just right click on it and then choose the option copy. Once you have copied, now head over to the location you'll wish to paste and then click to make sure the cursor blinks. From here, you can go ahead and paste it using a combination of Ctrl+V and the table will be copied or duplicated on that section. You can also right click on the spot like this and then use the option paste, and this will paste the table or duplicate the table as many times as you wish. So that's how you can copy or duplicate the whole table in Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.